Today we will learn how to create website on ProFreehost. You already know ProFreehost is a free professional hosting service provider service. This provides unlimited lifetime disk space, with unlimited bandwidth and a lot more facilities completely free. Today I will show you to add a custom domain to this free hosting service from start to end. If you don't have an account here, then click on Register Now. It's simple. I already have an account, so I am clicking on Login. After logging in, you may see these ads here. Actually, ProFreehost provides free hosting, but it costs itself too. That's why they show some AdSense ads so that they can serve this service for free. You will see all the domains listed here you are using under this account. To add a new domain, or to create a website on ProFreehost, click on Create a New Account. From here you can add domain or subdomain. You can see the subdomain extensions from here too. If you want to add a custom domain in ProFreehost, then you have to change the domain name server first. The name servers are given here. Copy the name servers one by one, and paste them into the domain name server. Save changes. Now go back to ProFreehost, and paste the domain name in the custom domain box. Then click on the tick button. The website creation is started. Go to the Manage page to get details. You can see the website status, which says Creating. It's still in progress. You should refresh the page after a minute to get an update. Look, it still says Creating. We should wait more several minutes. Well, the process is finished. The website status is now active. If you click on the website URL, you may find this notice, which means this is working fine. But still, some work is to be finished. We will make this website usable. Go to the control panel. You can approve this agreement to receive email or newsletter, etc. I simply approve that. Scroll down slowly and find the Softaculous Apps installer. Click here. Go for WordPress. Choose HTTP or HTTPS and your desired domain here. Set your WP admin username and password. And click Install from the bottom. Yes, WordPress is installed successfully. Also, you can check the WP admin dashboard from here. Now you can install themes, plugins, add content, etc. Everything seems fine.